Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Skullcandy Grom Wireless Headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or they're not syncing or not pairing with your phone or other device. You keep disconnecting. A lot of issues like that can be fixed with this factory reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just in any situation where you want to delete and reset the Bluetooth pairing list so that you can just go ahead and set these up at like a new set of headphones on a new device. So what you want to do is just go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off or whatever on your phone and have them delete this, these headphones. Then on our headphones, we're going to turn them on with the power button, and on the left ear cup, so the left ear cup itself is a button, and then the power button is obviously a button, and you're going to press and hold that left ear cup button plus the power button for 6 seconds simultaneously, both of those buttons, until finally when it's reset, the headphones will actually say ready to pair, and the LED will pulse red and blue. So now it's back into pairing mode. You can go back to your phone and set it and repair with these headphones as a new set of headphones.